Ooh, look at this. We got the hot knife again. You see that right there? This is our U-blade. What we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of texture to our ledge. We got 1-inch foam, and what I'm doing is probably going down about a 1/2 inch, 3/4, quarter. Again, it doesn't have to be absolutely perfect. And you see where the line, I'm trying to keep the line in the middle, but if you go off of it, don't worry about it. Remember, this is just old rock, and look at that nice little groove. And come down the front. Then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my hot knife, I'm gonna kind of go around the edge and just bump it here and there. You go, what do you mean by bump? Well, bump means just take it and just kind of bump it along the edge. As it's hot, it's gonna soften up that edge a little bit, and it makes it look a little bit older.